Hey guys, thank you for checking out our video. So today we're going to be doing an install for a Ford F-150 center hood graphic. First, what you want to do is take some alcohol and clean rags and clean the hood down first. Then you want to take your spray bottle, fill it with water, and add about 4 to 5 pumps of dish soap to that. The soap will help not get bubbles in the graphic, as well as being able to move it around once you place it on the hood. Next, you want to spray the hood down, and you want to remove the backing paper that you see here completely away. You don't want that backing paper to get wet at all while it's on the vinyl, or else it will stick and it'll mess up your decal, so make sure that gets removed before wetting anything down like you're seeing here. Once it's removed, you do want to wet the vinyl down, wet the hood again. Don't be afraid about getting it too wet. It will not hurt the vinyl at all. That's what this vinyl is made to be installed with the wet method, so soapy water is completely fine for that. The more the better. It'll just help it adhere better. Once you have it lined up, you're going to spray the top layer of application tape down again, and then you're going to squeegee all of your soapy water right out of there. We like to use a little bit of felt on one side of our squeegee. That's not necessary, but that's something that we do like to do. We do recommend it if you want to go that extra step. Once again, not necessary at all. It's just a little bit easier that we've found. But you're going to go over that, and then I like to flip the squeegee over and then use the hard surface as well to just make sure you get everything out of there. A couple little tips here, guys. Make sure that you do not install this in direct sunlight. You want to do that in the shade or in a garage if possible. The sun will cause bubbles to get into your graphic, and that's not what we're obviously looking for here. So once you're done installing, you're going to just wipe everything down with a clean rag, making sure it all adheres well, and just cleaning up the extra overspray that we had from our water bottle, and that will help adhere everything to the hood. Okay, we're going to remove the application tape. Now, if your vinyl is wanting to come up with your application tape, then just stick it back down and let it sit another 10 to 15 minutes. Depending on the weather, if it's a warmer day, it may dry quicker. If it's a colder day, it may take a little longer, so keep that in mind. Just make sure everything stays down when you're peeling this off, and you guys should be good to go. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. And once again, thank you for watching the video.